Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can pin an app and lock it to the screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now before you can use this feature, you must turn on pin app. To do that, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon on the top corner. Next, we scroll down, and from here, tap on security and privacy. Next, we scroll down and tap on other security settings. Then scroll down and tap on pin app. Make sure the toggle button is switched on, and then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, if you want to lock it with a pin, you can also turn on ask for pin before unpinning, and then tap on the back key, and then tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now, when you want to pin an app, say the Samsung Internet browser, or say the YouTube app, first what you do is tap on the recent key, then swipe across and locate the app. If you cannot find the app in your recent app, then you need to open it first. So here, let's say I want to lock the Samsung Internet browser. Tap on the icon at the top. From the pop-up, tap on pin this app. And then it says to unpin it, you need to touch and hold on the recent key together with the back key at the same time to unpin it. So tap on the OK button to proceed with the pinning the app. Okay, so once the app has been pinned, it is locked to the screen. If I tap on the home button or the back key, it will not allow me to go back to the home screen, no matter how many times I press it. I cannot switch to another app, so if I tap on the recent key, it will not show recent app, it is locked. So we cannot, basically we cannot switch to another app. All you can do is you can use the browser. If you want to unlock it, as I stated previously, you need to touch and hold on the recent key and the back key, so touch on both keys. This will unlock, but before you can unlock it, you need to put in the pin, as we set that a pin is required to unlock it. So here I will put in the pin to unlock it. And now once it is unpinned or unlocked, we can press on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.